Is this thing on? Can my nipples poke out in this shirt? 3 pipes and... Well, hopefully this is a service call. I should stop doing this and redo it. Hello. My dad started... Hello. Hi. Hey there. Apparently I'm an owner now. Surprised. No.
Locked on his face.
In 96, when I was just a little boy and she was barely a thought. No. We can be your first call when something comes up. Because it will. Because I sabotaged your house. So if you're seeing it, it's because she made it happen. Anything you'd like to say?
Just kidding.
We hope that we can. No. We are.
Dang it!
I hated that. I hated every second of that. South Seattle, both sides of the lake or the pond or whatever you want to call it. We're gonna do that.
Great.
Plumbing physician since 1960. No, since 1996.
I'm Tanner, and this is my idiot Abriana.
Idiot, Brianna. My idiot.
All right, we're loose. We're excited.
We're having
It's
fun.
raining. Hi, I'm Tanner, and this is Abriana shifting in her seat still. Can't sit still. Oh my goodness. Okay, are you ready? You can't look down at your side though.
As we continue.
I hate it. I don't want to say joining forces. We are forced to be reckoned with. I'm so hungry.
As we continue serving our community through remodels.
Yeah.
What are we doing again?
You know what we do.
As we continue serving.
Give us a call. We're ready to help you.
Shoot. I made a stupid face. We're gonna just retake it, but that.
At the end,
Yeah.
you're like, just sit there.